Why do CEOs blame AI for layoffs when experts disagree? 2026. Why do CEOs blame AI for layoffs when experts say it's a cover story? Because understanding this could change how you see job security in the AI era right now. Recently, major tech companies like Wix and Snap announced significant layoffs, with Wix cutting about 1,000 employees or 20% of its workforce. Snap followed, laying off 12% of its staff. CEOs like Avishai Abrahami from Wix pointed to AI as a key factor driving these cuts, alongside economic challenges like currency pressure. These moves spotlight a growing trend where AI is named as the main reason behind workforce reductions. Paul Osterman, professor emeritus at MIT Sloan and author of Disposable Workers, says this isn't new. He points out that CEOs have been blaming AI for layoffs for 2 decades. According to Osterman, this pattern is a convenient cover story to justify cuts that may be driven by other business factors. When the media repeats these claims, it often parrots a narrative rather than uncovering the real reasons behind layoffs. Companies across sectors are experimenting with AI to automate tasks. Roles in content creation, customer support, data entry, and basic coding are most vulnerable. While AI is disrupting specific job functions, it does not fully replace complex engineering roles as some CEOs claim. Instead, AI often complements workflows, raising questions about whether layoffs are truly AI-driven or part of broader cost-cutting strategies. Apart from AI, CEOs cite financial pressures like currency fluctuations and the need for leaner organizational structures. Wix's CEO mentioned the company needed a smaller workforce to adapt to these economic realities. This suggests layoffs may be motivated more by economic factors than pure AI adoption, with AI serving as a convenient explanation to the public and employees. For employees, it's crucial to see through the AI narrative and understand the bigger picture. Companies will continue to integrate AI, but job security depends on adapting skills beyond routine tasks. Workers should focus on roles where human judgment and creativity matter most. Awareness of this long-running pattern helps you prepare for future changes without panic over AI alone. What this means for you is simple. Don't take AI as the only reason for layoffs at face value. CEOs have used this excuse for 20 years to soften the blow. Instead, focus on building skills that AI can't replace and stay informed about the real business pressures shaping your job. Subscribe now to stay ahead in this fast-changing work environment.